All right, guys, it's Joe Everett again, man. All right, welcome to the office here, and welcome to your next step. The next step that you're going to want to do is go ahead and click the link below and join our Facebook group. Now, this is really, really important because you'll be able to keep up with all the updates and everything going on. And that's how we communicate with everybody in is on the Facebook group, and everybody will be able to join in and give ideas and add ideas, different ideas that we can do to promote our business. So we are in this together as a team. We're not in this thing to for me, for you, for one person. We're in this thing as a team. Now, the reason that that's important is this right here. A team is what it takes in business to make it. And I don't care what kind of business you're in. The fact of the matter is, there is no person on this planet that has ever made it really big that didn't have a team behind them. They find the better people than they are at something. In other words, if they can't write emails good, they find somebody that can write emails good and they bring them on the team. And those people then do that job. And that's the secret to all of this. And that's what we're building here. We're building a true team of people that want the same exact outcome. They want to be financially free. They want to be financially independent, and they want to make it in this business. If you're anything like me, I love this business. I truly do. I love to see people succeed. I love the fact that this business is low barrier to entry and that we can all succeed if we just put in a little effort. But the key and the secret is put in the effort as a team. If everybody goes their separate ways and does things that they want to do themselves, that's fine, but it'll be a long, hard road. So go ahead and click on the link below, request to be a part of the group. Now, it's going to take a little time for me to accept your request. Whenever I get it, I'll check and make sure that you're part of the team and all, that you've done all your steps. And then I will accept you into the group. Now, in this group, look, y'all, don't come in as spam and all that stuff. That's not the way business is done. It really isn't. And that's one of the biggest reasons that so many people fail in this business is because they try to sell their opportunity. They try to sell what they have or what they believe. See, what you believe may not be what I believe. Um, if this business, if this business, if the reason you got in this business was because you can make a lot of money, somebody else may not really care about that. So they don't want to hear all that. They might have got in this business because the products are so dang good and that they feel great whenever they're on the products. Or they may have got in this business just for a tax write-off. They may have got in this business for uh, their son, their mother, their brother, their sister. They don't want to hear all that stuff. So don't spam in the group, really. Let's go there, have a true group that brainstorms and has legitimate things that they're offering to the group. All right. So that's my little rant there. So y'all go ahead, click on the link below, request to be a group, part of the group, and I will go ahead and accept your request, and you'll be in the group. So do that now. See y'all later. Have a great day.